Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best toddler lacrosse stick is probably one of the most exciting ways to introduce your little one to the world of sports. These sticks are specifically designed with safety in mind, making sure your toddler can enjoy playing without any worries. They're built to be lightweight and easy to handle, perfect for those little hands learning the basics of lacrosse. Get ready to watch your child develop their coordination and have a blast in the process. Number 5. Franklin Sports Kids Mini Lacrosse Stick Set. This is the perfect set for beginners. It helps them develop the proper fundamentals of lacrosse. It's a great way to start playing the sport. The bright blue head and ball make it easy to follow. This helps your child improve their hand-eye coordination and fine motor skills. It's designed to make learning fun. The head has pro-style netting with a deep pocket. This provides a more forgiving response during practice. However, it's not suitable for competitive play. The thinner shaft makes it easier for beginners to handle. It also features a full coverage graphic wrap for added fun. This makes the stick more exciting to use. The set includes a 34-inch Youth Pro Style lacrosse stick. It also comes with one lacrosse ball. Everything they need to get started is included. What we like. This set is designed to help your child develop fundamental lacrosse skills. The bright colors make it easy to track the ball, improving hand-eye coordination. If you are looking for a stick that is easy to handle and helps beginners learn the basics, this is the one for you. What people say. It's lightweight, which is great for younger kids, just starting out. It's a perfect fit for her and not heavy. This is a great stick for first-timers. It works well for my 3.5-year-old even though he mainly uses it to swing it around. Number 4. ANR Sports Major League Lacrosse Mini Set. This is the perfect set for young lacrosse enthusiasts. It includes everything they need to get started, from the net to the sticks and ball. It's a great way to introduce them to the sport. The set features a compact 3-foot by 3-foot by 3-foot mini lacrosse net. It's the ideal size for backyard play or indoor practice. This net is durable and easy to set up. Included are two 30-inch mini lacrosse sticks. They are designed for youth players, providing a comfortable grip and easy handling. These sticks are perfect for developing their skills. The set also comes with a mini lacrosse ball. This ball is designed for use with the mini sticks and net. It's the perfect size for young players to practice their shots and passes. This set is brought to you by ANR Sports, a trusted name in sports accessories for over 20 years. They are known for quality and innovation. You can trust this set to provide hours of fun. What we like. This set includes everything you need to start playing right away, including a mini net. The two sticks are perfect for playing with a friend or sibling. If you like the idea of having a complete set that is ready to go, this is a great choice. What people say. Excellent starter set. Sturdy and well made. Handles long enough for real backyard play. Perfect size for intro to lacrosse who can't coordinate a full-size stick. L. Handles are plastic, but they are for my toddler daughters. Good quality. Number 3. STX Lacrosse Mini Power Stick. This is the perfect miniature stick for all ages. It features a mini power head with a mesh pocket, and it comes with a durable aluminum handle. This stick is designed for fun in the backyard or at the beach. It's easy to use and provides hours of entertainment. Each stick comes packaged with a soft foam ball. This makes it safe for play and ready to use right out of the box. The aluminum handle ensures durability, and the mesh pocket provides excellent ball control. This product is built to last. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced player, this is a great way to practice your lacrosse skills. It's fun for everyone. What we like. The durable aluminum handle and mesh pocket provide a more realistic feel. The soft foam ball is safe for younger players. If you want a stick that is built to last and provides a great playing experience, you should consider this. What people say. The ball included is foam, making it easier for beginners to learn and use. The stick has a good head, allowing for the ball to stay in it when caught. The stick itself is light and easy to use. Number 2. True Temper Laxyard Lacrosse Kit. Introducing the True Temper Laxyard Backyard Lacrosse Kit. This kit is perfect for recreational play in your backyard or at the park. It includes everything you need to get started. This set includes 3 Youth U10 sticks with 27-inch handles and full-size heads. The sticks are designed for younger players, making it easier for them to learn and enjoy the game. It is a great way to introduce them to lacrosse. The kit features a 3x3 flip goal. One side is open for games, and you can flip it over for target practice. This allows you to hone your shooting skills and have fun with friends. The kit also includes a foam Laxyard ball and a zip-up carrying case. The foam ball is safer for backyard play. The bag makes it easy to transport and store all the equipment. True Temper offers a full line of lacrosse gear for all ages and skill levels. From beginners to elite players, they have equipment designed for everyone to take charge on the field. Whether you're just starting or playing at a high level, they have you covered. What we like. This kit includes a mini goal and 3 sticks, perfect for backyard games. The foam ball is safe and fun for all ages. If you have a group of kids who want to play together, this is the perfect set. What people say. They work great. Great pockets for the sticks. Exactly as expected, great quality, quick delivery. Number 1. STX FiddleSTX 2-pack Mini Lacrosse Sticks. Introducing the STX FiddleSTX 2-pack. This is perfect for mini lacrosse fun anytime. It's designed for kids and young players. This 2-pack includes 30-inch miniature sticks. They are designed with a mesh pocket and a safe plastic handle. Each stick comes packaged with a soft foam ball. This makes it safe and easy to play with. You'll have everything you need to start playing right away. These sticks are great for kids and young players. They are perfect for learning the game and having fun. It's a great way to get active and enjoy lacrosse. The STX FiddleSTX is easy to use and fun to play with. It's a great way to introduce yourself to the sport. Get yours today and start playing. What we like. This pack includes 2 sticks, perfect for sharing the fun. The safe plastic handle is ideal for young players. If you are looking for a fun and safe way for your kids to play lacrosse, this is a great option. What people say. The pocket is deep so it's easy to catch a ball. They are lightweight so they are easy to handle. The size and weight are just right. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.